If I start going the wrong way, flash me or something.
Well, then you gotta figure out how to get the
You really want to see his Mike? In perfect time.
I can't breathe, I can't breathe.
No, I'm sorry. I got my bikers mixed up here. I was looking at you. I was thinking it was Eric. I should have known by that stupid helmet. Lean that in, baby! What?
We should take him down the dirt road! Get out! Get him in! Yeah!
Oh my God, that'd be hilarious!
Get on him, Harley, go dirty!
That would be hysterical!
You're in low gear, right? What do you want to do? I got to plow the field today.
I was just going to say.
George, what the... Yeah, watch it be close. Hey! What up?
Can show everyone what I mean when I say the biker Wawa. All those are all gone now.
Remember me? Dave. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Now you got the Indian.
I can hear everything you say. He's talking to somebody.
That's funny.
He's bragging about his triumph and how fast it is. Come on, let's go.
All right. They're all yelling at me. I got my headset on. Come on, let's go. What's up, Joe? I'm coming. We'll catch up.
Oh, you're killing me.
They got hose.
Oh, now he's making fun of your Harley. What's he saying?
Go down 37.
Head down 37, okay. A little bit. Is everybody getting through here?
It does. I think so.
Yes, okay, we're good.
Well, gotta stay close.
Gotta keep it tight.
Right. Come on, turn the lights on.
He ain't gonna thread the needle. He ain't got the guts.
His bike those are pretty bad. All black.
Yeah, all blacked out. I mean, I really like the look of it. It does look cool. You know what sucks about being the guy always shooting the video?
Yeah.
There's never video of me actually driving. Mike and I are going to split off on Manaloke. Got it this time.
Alright, Bubba.
Alright, later, dude. Hit the comp.
I will, nope, forget it.
Oh, screw you, pal.
No, you're staying connected.
That son of a... Guess eventually it's gonna shut off.